Hello, and welcome to Fun Felt Friday. My name is Christina, and I'm a librarian with LA County Library. Today, I have a fun felt story for you about animals. I'm going to need your help. I'm going to describe the animal, and I need you to tell me what type of animal you think I'm describing. Are you ready? Okay, great. Let's get started. What am I? What could I be? I'm gold like the jewelry and live in the sea. What am I? What could I be? What's gold like the jewelry and lives in the sea? Any guesses? Yes, that's right. I'm a goldfish. Great job. All right. I am big and furry and love to sleep in the winter. What am I? What could I be? What's big and furry and loves to sleep in the winter? Any guesses? Yes! Great job! Yes, I'm a bear! Great job! All right, next one. I'm green and make the sound ribbit, ribbit. What am I? What could I be? What's green and makes the sound ribbit, ribbit? Does anybody know? Yes! Great job, a frog! That's right. It's a frog. All right, our next one. I'm covered in wool and make the sound ba, ba. What am I? What could I be? What's covered in wool and makes the sound ba, ba? Any guesses? Yes, a sheep. Great job. All right, I'm a bird, but I cannot fly. I can swim and live on the ice. What am I? What could I be? A bird that cannot fly, but swims and lives on the ice? Does anybody know? Any guesses? Yes! Great job, a penguin. All right, let's see next what we have. I'm yellow and swim in a pond. I have webbed feet. What am I? What could I be? Yellow and swims in a pond with webbed feet? Can anybody tell me? Any guesses? Yes, that's right, a duck. Great job. All right, I'm big and tall, and you can ride me. I make the sound neigh, neigh. What am I? What could I be? What's big and tall, and you can ride this animal, and it also makes a sound neigh, neigh. Does anybody know? Yes, that's right, a horse. A horse. All right, great job. Okay, next one. I love to cuddle and run and play fetch. What am I? What could I be? What animal loves to run and cuddle and play fetch? Any guesses? Yes, that's right, a dog. Great job. All right. I'm black and white and make the sound moo. What am I? What could I be? Does anybody know? What's black and white and makes the sound moo? Yes, good job, a cow. Great job. All right, we have our last one. I'm pink and wide, and I love to play in the mud. What am I? What could I be? What's pink and wide and loves to play in the mud? Can anybody tell me? Any guesses? Yes, that's right. A pig. Great job. You all know your animals. Good job, everybody. We hope you enjoyed Fun Felt Friday. Click the link in the description box for upcoming programs, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy access to new videos. Bye for now.